Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all well and having a great day. Today's video is part 2 of my come shop with me video, where you would have seen us go to Primark and IKEA. I've also incorporated like a little day in the life of myself and Oakley. I hope you enjoy it. Please watch to the end and I will see you soon. Yesterday and we picked up one of these easel things for Oakley. So myself and Oakley are just assembling it now, and he's doing a good job helping me, aren't you, Oakley?
Okay.
Oh no, it's not for that.
It's this way?
Yeah, it's that way. You can do it? That's it, and now push. Yeah, push down and turn.
It's this way?
Yeah, that's the way. Good boy.
Not kissing?
No, not yet. Yep.
Oh, I missed it.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah. I can't put it in the hole. You can help me?
Yeah, okay. Okay, so you did it. Well done.
So
Okay.
now, let's get it up.
Yeah, so what we got to do now?
Get it up.
Yes. Mummy help you. You pull the leg. You pull the leg out towards you. That's it. Pull the leg. That's it. Pull, 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 pull. Okay, so what do you need now, Oakley?
Pencil.
That's it. Okay. We also got these chalks to use on Oakley's new board. Want Mummy to open it?
Yeah. Open it now.
So with the chalkboard, we got these separate to go with it. 9 colours of chalks there, and then you get a set of 10 pencils as well with a sharpener. Okay, so Oakley's excited. He can't wait to get into this. So let's open it. You want to open it together with Mummy?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's so nice colours.
Nice color.
Okay.
I have a pen.
Let me just take all the plastic off. Okay, so I've taken all the packaging off, and what you've got is this pot, and then it's got a nice cover on it that you can just cover up when you're not using it. Okay, so put them here. Okay, what are you going to draw first, Oakley?
A monster.
A monster. Whoa. Whoa. What colour is that?
Green.
Good boy.
No, I'm going to draw the head. Mommy, I want.
Okay, which ones did you want to put in the bath today, Oakley?
Oh, give up. 1, 2, 3, go!
Woo! You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so while Oakley's having a splash in the bath, I'm just going to go into my office and fix my hair. Just get my hair ready for the day. I've put a wash on already. It's on a 55-minute wash. So what I need to do should take, getting Oakley out the bath, getting him dressed, fixing my hair, getting myself sorted. That should take around the same time. Okay, so that's my hair more or less done, or the base of it is done anyway, so that's absolutely fine. I've got some hair oil to put in my hair because my hair does need oil. So this is a day and night hair and scalp conditioner with argan oil from Morocco. So I've got that, and it's by Cream of Nature. I like this product because it's very light. I just need to put a little bit in my hair and I'm sort of good to go for the day. So that's how it's looking at the minute. Once I'm dressed and everything, I'll style it properly. But I'm not sure if we're even going to be going out today, but you know, the weather's quite nice, so I'm prepared. Okay, so I've got a little visitor in the office. Don't know what that is supposed to be. Anyone can tell me. It's not a bee. It's not a grasshopper. It looks like it almost looks like a dragonfly without wings, without the big wings. But I could hear it in the office and I couldn't see it, so it's hidden inside the curtains. So I'm just going to flick it outside and let it go on its way. I mean, is that a mosquito? If it's a mosquito, it's a giant, massive, juicy mosquito. Okay, so Oakley's coming to see the mosquito. Can you see it, Oakley?
Yeah.
Whoa, it's big, isn't it?
Yeah, you need to hit it.
No, we don't need to hit it. We're going to pull it outside.
But
Yeah? Maybe it's going to fly outside for itself. Oh, it's going. It's going. We just sat down to have some lunch. I'm having some couscous with salmon. Okay, what are you having, Oakley?
having peppers.
And what else have you got?
I have cucumber.
Cucumber. Do you like those?
Yeah.
What about some celery? Do you want to try some? Do you want to try some celery?
No.
No.
Look.
Yummy. You got it? Yay! That's a close your eyes. Okay, so I'm all dressed, ready to go out. I've just flicked my hair back and it looks absolutely fine, I would say. Oakley's excited. He's semi-dressed. I'm just going to change his bottoms in, put his shorts on. He's got his sunglasses on. Woo!
Like that. They're going.
That's it. Okay, so I'm just wearing this top from Primark. I found this in the trending section. I'm just wearing this top from Primark. It was in the trending section. I love that. It also came in a blue and sort of a blue and white striped. Then I'm just wearing some jeans also from Primark. And I'm just gonna pair that with my grey sliders that I got from Aldi. I absolutely love these. They're so comfortable. We've come out now to go to get some storage solutions for Oakley's room, haven't we, Oakley?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to Poundland and Pound Stretcher, see what we can pick up there, isn't it?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh.
And look how pretty these flowers are just beside me here. Gorgeous they are. Wow. Okay, so we're just popping down the road now to get some storage items for Oakley's room, to finish off his room. I need to get two more boxes from Poundland, the storage boxes, plus some hangers as well, which I've seen in Pound Stretcher. So we'll take you along with us for that. Isn't it, Oakley? Okay, so we just popped into Card Factory. They've got a really good sale on, or 50% off. So these will be ideal for Oakley's room. It's nice and colourful. You know, I'm not really sure what theme we're going with yet, but also got some amazing cars. You get 10 cars for £1. So, you know, you can't really go wrong. 10 for £1. I thought Poundland was good, but 10 for £1 here is absolutely amazing. Okay, so they've got the hangers in. I'm going to take a couple of packs of those for Oakley's room. We just popped into Poundland also. Oakley's happy. He's got, show them what you've got. He's got a set of 2 cars, so thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like this kind of video, this like mini vlog incorporating like a little shopping haul. I know I've kept you waiting a little bit, but there is going to be a part 3 which is going to follow tomorrow, where I'm going to put together a shopping haul of all the stores that we went to, showing you all the items that we picked up from those stores, including Primark, IKEA, Poundland and a few other stores as well. I really hope to see you tomorrow on the part 3 of this video. For now, take care, keep well, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.